In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use PayPal Zettle business feature. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you're going to do is create or log in into your PayPal account. Go to paypal.com and create a business account and log in. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and look for the application Zettle by PayPal on your App Store or Play Store and simply download and install it. Open the app and sign up with your email or log in with your PayPal and connect to your PayPal business account. Once you've done that, you want to simply complete your business profile, bank details, and tax information. Once you've done that, order a Zettle card reader from the app or website and connect via Bluetooth to your mobile device. Now, all you need to do is turn on Bluetooth on your device, pair your Zettle reader with the app, and you're ready to take payments. All you need to do is simply go ahead and enter the amount, tap insert, or swipe the customer's card and confirm the payment. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.